Welcome back to Get Assist. So do you want to add a number, your phone number or your verification or your backup email to your current Gmail account and you don't know how to do it? So watch this video till the end to know the whole process. So the very first process is to open your Gmail. Now click on your profile icon. Now click on Manage your Google account. Now come to Personal Info. Now you can see here you need to add the phone number. So under the Contact Info, you can click on that, add the phone number. Now Google will send you an OTP. So add the OTP. Once the verification is done, you can see that your number has been added. Now number 2 is to add the email address. So for that, now click on Recovery Email. Now add the email address you want to add as a recovery email. Now again it will send you an OTP. Now enter the OTP and yes, you are done. So these are the steps which are involved in adding phone number and obviously your email address. But what if somebody else's phone number is already activated on your Gmail address and you don't know about that? So how can you remove that particular phone number and the email address? We will see that in another video. But before leaving, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.